Passwords aren't as secure as they once were. Many are weak, reused, and stolen. And others are much too complicated. Even a strong password cannot guarantee security. But a new technology called password hopping solves these problems with simple, easy-to-use passwords that expire and are replaced on a time cycle. Here's how. Think of a web page that you visit regularly and whose content changes often and unpredictably, such as the news page seen here. A simple, personalized formula describes a headline and word position on the page. A time limit controls a password expiration and replacement. When the password expires, new content from the page is used to build the next password. Password hopping is managed by PassHopr, a combination password manager and authenticator app. Only you and PassHopr know how and when your password hops, and PassHopr handles the authentication at the login page too. PassHopr guarantees passwords are simple, strong, and unique. And they're also disposable because each one becomes useless once the next hop occurs. Get peace of mind and know your password is strong and theft-proof rather than just hoping it might be. And it's easy because you only remember the formula. Password hopping is a return to the password simplicity and security we once knew. It's only available from PassHopr. Learn more and try it for free at PassHopr.com.